Imagine a night sky filled with stars. Now imagine each one is a doorway to a different universe. This idea, called the multiverse, suggests that our universe might be just one of many. It's a mind-boggling concept. The thought of countless realities existing parallel to our own can be thrilling and a bit overwhelming. Scientists have been toying with the multiverse theory for years. They wonder if there are other versions of us out there. Maybe there's a universe where dinosaurs never went extinct, or one where humans have flying cars. The possibilities are endless and exciting to consider. The multiverse isn't just science fiction, it's rooted in real scientific theories. Different branches of physics suggest its existence. From cosmic inflation to quantum mechanics, these ideas push the boundaries of what we know. As we dive into these theories, let's keep our minds open to the infinite wonders that might lie beyond our own universe.
One fascinating idea is bubble universes. Imagine blowing soap bubbles. Each bubble is a separate universe. Scientists think our universe might be one of these bubbles. This idea comes from the theory of cosmic inflation. According to this, the universe expanded rapidly after the Big Bang. In this process, different regions of space could form their own bubbles. These bubbles might have different physical laws. Perhaps gravity works differently in another bubble. Or maybe time flows at a different rate. The variations are endless. Some bubbles might even pop, causing their universes to collapse. It's a captivating idea that stretches the imagination. But how do these bubbles form? Scientists believe that quantum fluctuations can cause regions of space to inflate at different rates. This creates separate, distinct universes. Each bubble could drift away, never interacting with others. This isolation makes it nearly impossible to detect other bubbles. Yet the theory holds a lot of potential for explaining the vastness of our cosmos. Understanding bubble universes helps us grasp the scale of the multiverse. It's a reminder of how small our universe might be in the grand scheme of things. The concept challenges our perception of reality and invites us to ponder the true nature of existence.
Now let's talk about parallel worlds. These are universes that exist alongside ours. Think of it like pages in a book. Each page is a different universe, stacked closely together, yet they're separate and distinct. This idea is common in science fiction but also has scientific roots. Parallel worlds suggest that every possible outcome of an event happens. For example, in one world, you might win the lottery. In another, you might not. These worlds are like alternate timelines, created by every decision and event. It's a fascinating way to think about the what-ifs of life. One theory behind parallel worlds comes from string theory. It proposes that our universe is one of many, each vibrating at different frequencies. These universes are like parallel strings, never touching but existing side by side. It's a complex idea, but makes the concept of parallel worlds more tangible. The thought of parallel worlds can be comforting. It suggests that somewhere, every dream and possibility is realized. It opens up a realm of endless potential. The idea that there are infinite versions of us living different lives is both intriguing and mind-expanding. Section 4. Many worlds interpretation, quantum choices. The many worlds interpretation comes from the field of quantum mechanics. It's a theory that explains how particles behave at the smallest scales. Quantum mechanics is strange and counterintuitive. Particles can exist in multiple states at once, known as superposition. When observed, they choose a state. The many worlds interpretation suggests that every possible outcome occurs, splitting the universe into many. Imagine flipping a coin. In our world, it lands heads or tails. In the many worlds interpretation, both outcomes happen. The universe splits into 2-1 where it's heads and 1 where it's tails. This happens for every quantum event, creating a vast number of branching universes. This theory can be hard to grasp. It challenges our understanding of reality, but it also offers a way to explain the randomness of quantum mechanics. It suggests that all possible outcomes are real, just in different universes. Every choice and event creates a new branch, expanding the multiverse. The many worlds interpretation provides a unique perspective on existence. It implies that there are countless versions of reality, each as real as our own. This idea makes the multiverse even more intriguing and complex. It pushes us to explore the nature of choice and probability in our universe.
Section 5. Real-world examples and thought experiments. To make these theories more relatable, let's consider some thought experiments. Imagine a cat in a box, a famous scenario known as Schrödinger's cat. In the quantum world, the cat can be both alive and dead until observed. According to the many worlds interpretation, the universe splits into 2-1, where the cat is alive and 1 where it's dead. Both versions exist simultaneously. Another example is the idea of a cosmic lottery. Imagine that every decision you make buys a ticket in this lottery. Each ticket leads to a different universe. In one, you might become a famous artist. In another, you might take up a completely different career. Every choice creates a new reality, expanding the multiverse. These thought experiments help us visualize the multiverse. They show how everyday decisions and events can lead to different outcomes. It makes the concept more tangible and easier to understand. They also highlight the potential for endless possibilities. Real-world physics experiments also hint at the multiverse. Particle collisions in accelerators like the Large Hadron Collider reveal strange behaviors. These behaviors could be evidence of other universes. While we can't directly observe them, these experiments provide clues about the multiverse's existence.
Section 6. Implications and exciting possibilities. If the multiverse exists, the implications are profound. It means that our universe is just one of many. Each universe could have different laws of physics, different histories, and different futures. It broadens our understanding of reality and challenges our perception of existence. The multiverse offers exciting possibilities. It suggests that anything is possible somewhere. Every dream, every potential, every what if is realized in some universe. This idea can be both comforting and inspiring. It means that there are countless versions of us, each living out different possibilities. Exploring the multiverse could lead to new scientific discoveries. It might help us understand the fundamental nature of reality. It could also inspire new technologies and ways of thinking. The idea of multiple universes opens up a realm of endless potential for science and humanity. In conclusion, the multiverse is a fascinating concept. It challenges our understanding of reality and offers endless possibilities. From bubble universes to parallel worlds and quantum choices, the multiverse expands our imagination. It invites us to explore the infinite and embrace the unknown. The journey into the multiverse is just beginning, and the possibilities are truly endless.